One of my subscribers asked me to make a video on the Ion broadband connection. So, what is it? Okay, I just heard the name first time to one of my subscribers. I have not heard about the name called Ion broadband. This one. So let me just break down some of the important points that I researched. I took some points. So let me just walk you through in this video. Let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrah. In this channel, tech videos, reviews, tutorials, some tips and trick videos, also unboxing videos, and some kind of that internet broadband as reviews, which I'm going to do today. So stay tuned, and if you're new here, consider subscribing down, and if you're not, you can like, comment, share to your friends, and share my content. It will be much appreciable by me. So that's it, and you can rock the world through technology. So technology is everything in future. So let's start with this video without wasting further time. So let me just go to my Google and then type Ion broadband review. So this is the Ion broadband. Okay, first you can see here it says service is not good, complaints are closed but issues never solved. So that's some of kinds rating is very worst. So yeah, okay, just skip. And next you can go and check how is the Ion broadband. Is unworthy and system poor quality ping. So some kind of thing I came to know that Ion broadband is not a broadband or Wi-Fi. You need to get one. So don't go for it. It's my humble request, because somewhat it must be some value like AZT or Hathway, customer worst, okay, and Airtel, some that kind of thing. But Ion is the first word I am hearing now. And one thing I like to mention is that let me go to the official website of the Ion. So let me just click it. So this is the official website of the Ion, but it's kind of cool and everything. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see the segments: campus Wi-Fi, hospitality Wi-Fi, airport Wi-Fi, resident Wi-Fi, this kind of thing. So I think that they have tie up with some government, like they're putting public Wi-Fis. So you can see the railway stations and the airports. You can see the Wi-Fis are present there. Also public parks like that thing, and malls like that. So Ion is providing the public Wi-Fi, that kind of thing, not Wi-Fi which is much good for homes. So if you're putting for some office and like homes, I do not recommend you getting this Ion broadband, this Wi-Fi connection. Instead, I would like to get some AZT or Hathway or Airtel. These three I recommend. As I have made a complete review and comparison, also some videos on Hathway and Airtel AZT. You can check the iCard. Also, you can go down the description. You can watch the video. So I have listed some of the important points there. You can check it out later on. So let me just click the resident broadband here, and it's coming resident broadband. Okay, it's kind of cool saying Ion resident broadband solutions give you the freedom to enjoy reliable. Okay, just skip those. And here you can see they are providing all over India. It's fine. You can see there is not important place like Delhi. In Delhi it is not there. You can see Chandigarh, Uttarakhand is there, but Delhi it's not there. And in Chennai it's there, where I live it's there. But I didn't contact them through personally, so I don't know much about them, because this is the first time I'm hearing from one of my subscribers who asked me to make a video of the Ion broadband connection. So I just don't know what is that, so I just small research the thing. So if you search also, you can get this information, only not much than that. So that's it, and I couldn't explain much about this one. So it's not a broadband which you need to get. Just skip it and just go for another. And the second one is that Tikona, Tikona, Tikona Internet Service Broadband. So you can see here, if I click the Tikona, it's coming Airtel Xstream at a top notch. So I'll just give you a small information. You can see who owns Tikona. If you click it, you can see by the Airtel. Actually, Tikona was somewhat old internet providers they are providing, and recently the Airtel took over them. They bought the Tikona itself. So presently Airtel is running them. So if you want to get Tikona, just skip it and go for Airtel, because Airtel owns them. So Airtel is providing some Xstream and fiber, everything like fiber cables. So Airtel or Tikona, which one is best? I would recommend you to get Airtel, so don't go for Tikona. So that's it, and nothing much about these two, because one of my subscribers asked me to make a Tikona and that Ion broadband Ion. So that's it. These two are the things which I want to share in this video. So stay tuned and follow me up in my social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can see down Qurrah Tech, and you can also follow me in my Ko-fi and by my Ko-fi page. These two are the things which I am running. I have some digital products there like wall print, wallpapers like calendars and some of the Adobe Creative Clouds apps which I'm selling at cheaper rate because I tied with a company like that thing. So stay tuned in the next video. See you. This is Rais Ahmed from Qurrah Tech. See you next video. Bye bye.